Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. When you deactivate your account, your profile, photos, comments, and likes will be hidden until you log back in to reactivate it. Keep in mind, you can only deactivate your account once a week. First, log into the Instagram account you want to deactivate. On a computer, mobile browser, or the Instagram app, click the More icon, represented by 3 lines, then select Settings. Next, go to Account Center, then click Personal Details. From there, select Account Ownership and Control, then choose Deactivation or Deletion. Click the account you want to temporarily deactivate. Now, click Deactivate Account, then Continue. Re-enter your password and click Continue again. Select the reason you want to deactivate your account and click Continue. Finally, click Deactivate Account to complete the process. If you don't want to deactivate your account but want more privacy, you can set your post to private or block certain people. And that's it. Your Instagram account is now temporarily deactivated. You can log back in anytime to reactivate it.